Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Happy New Year. I would like to start off my first video of 2019 with a what's in my bag, and this will be a gym bag edition. I am starting to go to Orange Theory Fitness. I'll leave a link down below about what that is because it's quite cool. All they tell you to bring is like a towel and a water. They have showers there and whatnot if you want to. I live quite close by, so some days I might shower there, but probably I'll just go home. So I don't really need very much. I didn't need a typical gym bag. And it's sessions, it's 1 hour sessions as well. So you're in a group and you have a coach and you've got certain sets to do. So there was nothing really else that I needed. However, I need to keep my essentials in, right? I forgot my phone, so we'll talk about that. So this is the Everywhere bag by Lululemon. I believe it's new. Mine is a sort of greyish, pearly, minky colour. It's very neutral. They had a black one, which was really nice. It was a bit shiny. They had a pink one, which is kind of metallic-y. But I really like this one because if I wear white, if I wear black, or any other colour, it will go. And I really like that it's a gunmetal edition with the zip hardware and the logo. So what I really like about this is it's a bum bag, and you can even like stretch it out and wear it crossbody, tie it around your waist. You can take this for travel. It's a 1 litre storage, maximum capacity. I love Lululemon bags. I use one of these to take Lola on for walks and put little things in there. So the best part is it has a little zipper at the back, and this is essentially where my phone would go, so it fits an iPhone 8 Plus, even with a pop socket. So I can have that right on my person, keeps it safe. And then in the main compartment, I've got quite a few things, as you can see. It's not a lot of things, but it's all the essentials. So at the back, it's really nice because it's separated into little compartments. So there's one long mesh compartment at the back, and then in the front, there's these 2 little pockets, and then you've got the center. So on the long mesh at the back, I've got my Orange Theory Fitness chest heart monitor strap. And you need this because it links up to the Bluetooth, and they will measure your heart rate and see how many calories you've burned, and it's all up on the monitor, and you can see what zone you're in. So as I said, I'll leave the link down below for that because it's quite interesting about the science behind it. So I have that. I take that with me to every class. In the main compartment, I have a small towel. This is also from Lululemon. It's they have a small and a medium, or a small and a large, and I just chose this design. I kind of wanted to go a little bit flowery and cute, but then I thought, well, maybe it's best to go a little bit more simpler. And they had this sort of black and white speckled, kind of marbly sort of thing. And it's just one of those like suede-ish cloth towels. So it really is absorbent, and it's great for just wiping yourself down. You could essentially get the bigger one and use that as a body towel for after showering. So I really like it because it just rolls up nicely and fits in there really well. So then I have in here, I have some Hello Kitty hand and face wipes. I just use these for my hands. I have a fruit leather. This is the Stretch Island 0 grams added sugar strawberry, just in case I need something. I have an Orange Theory pen. They gave me that. And then I have these, which I haven't used yet, and I'm excited. These are fresh towels from Bath & Body Works. They're body cleansing towelettes on the go. So I just got 2 of those. So if, for example, I can't get for a shower, or I want to go to a coffee shop afterwards and I just need to like freshen up, I'll use these. And these are made with aloe, cucumber, and vitamin E. And then the last thing I have in the middle compartment is a little hair tie, just in case I forget one. This one's very cute. I got it from Amazon, I believe. They were like a pack. I'll leave a link down below. And I've given these as gifts for Christmas. They're cheaply made though. They were little stocking stuffers, but you can't really tell until you've used them a lot. For example, like you can see the stitching is like coming undone. But I liked them because they had like the wire in the ears, so you can mold them. So it just kind of pops out like that. Yeah, actually maybe I won't link them down below because they're not the greatest of quality. So search for some better ones, just like Right Rabbit Ears or Velvet Hair Scrunchies. And then in these two little mesh pockets in the front, I've got my card holder. This is from Mulberry. I don't know if you remember when I got this. It's really, really lovely. I love the colour. I don't have any cards in it right now because I'm using my Sarah wallet for class or for university because I need some additional things. But for the gym, I'll just take my ID and like a card if I need to get like a drink afterwards or like some food. And then the last bit is my keys, obviously, and my keys are a little bit more heftier than usual. Well, not the keys itself, but I have to have my student card with me, so it's just wrapped in a 2-lane lanyard. And then I have my Starbucks coffee card, and then I have this Coffee Then Victory little tag as well, and it just slots in like that. And that's it. So very, very simple, but all the essentials. And it's just such a great bag. I love it. I love it. This is just, as I said, such a good travel bag, such a good walking bag, hiking bag, everywhere bag. And I've loved it for the gym so far. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.